What up, YouTube? It's Danny, back in that video. Today, we're going to open up another keyboard. Yes. This keyboard is actually for my workplace. It's going to go in my desk at work. So, I thought I'd do a video on it first because it's a little unique. So, I'll go ahead and, without further ado, give you a glimpse. It is the Logitech Pop Keys Studio Series edition. And it comes in several colors. I picked the yellow and black. I actually saw it on display at Target. A couple weeks ago when I was looking for the other keyboard that I already opened on the channel, and I was like, I need that keyboard for work because I currently use the Razer Huntsman Elite at work, and as you probably know, I don't game at work, so why do I have a gaming keyboard? Because I like the lights, but I'm moving away from Razer products. They just really don't do anything for me anymore. They're cool. I don't hate Razer or anything. I'm just moving on. There's so many other options these days. And Logitech has really stepped up the last few years. Like, serious stepped up their game the last few years. There's a couple more stickers I didn't see. I'm very impressed with Logitech. Actually, did you know that they're not called Logitech in Japan? I forget what it's called. It's going to bug me. But it's Logi something instead of Logitech. Okay, so we're going to open it up. Here we go. It says, get expressive personality that pops. Followed by a Logi. Oh, nice wrapping as I almost dropped the keyboard. Very nice. So, slide that off like so. And it gives me a typewriter. It gives me typewriter vibes, basically. The keys do because they're round. Look at that. Look at that. That is quite nice. This, well, I don't know. This will probably be the thumbnail. I don't know. Or maybe this. Just the keyboard up close like that. So, but yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's going to be comfortable. And it's Sunday, so I'm going to use it tomorrow morning, first thing. So, very nice. Let's see what else we get in the box. And then we're going to hook it up via Bluetooth to the Mac Mini M1. A little instruction guide, which I'm just going to put right back in the box. I'm not going to need that. But you've got a set of emoji keys that you can swap out, because it already has some emoji keys on the side, which I'm just going to leave as default. But it is cool that you do get other keys to use instead. You also get a Logitech Bolt adapter in case you don't want to use Bluetooth, but I'm just going to use Bluetooth. It is nice to have these. This is my third one because I keep buying Logitech products. So, but going back to the keyboard real quick, you see right here, you've got, let me see if I get closer, heart, eyes, crying emoji, laughing with tears emoji. What is it? What is this one? One guy's black. I have no idea. But yeah, beautiful keyboard. I absolutely love that. So, yeah. Okay. So, let me pull this. And actually, this comes off. Pull that up. I lost the battery. Hey, looks like there's a slot for the Bolt adapter to go in. Yeah. Snaps right in. Like that. So, very nice. You won't lose it. Now, let me get the other battery real quick. It went way under the desk. Of course it did. Pardon me as I got close. Okay. That goes back in like that. And this goes in like that. As you can see, it is now ready to connect. So now I'm going to go up to, first I'm going to switch to the screen capture. Looking at my eBay purchases. I'm going to go to Bluetooth settings, system settings, Bluetooth, Logipop, gonna connect. Type in that code 996938. Plus the return key. And we are connected. It's gonna pop up keyboard assistant, and I'm gonna hit shift just to let the Mac know that yeah, it's a generic keyboard, even though it's not. Logitech is a great brand. But yeah, Logipop Keys is the short name. That's really it. It was sort of a quick video, but yeah. I guess I'll go ahead and do a. Oh, I thought this had feet. I guess it doesn't. Well, you know what? No, it's just high enough. All right, so let's go ahead and do a sound test real quick. Let me switch back to default camera, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and angle you guys down. Okay, so you guys are angled down. I'm gonna go ahead and get the microphone. This would be easier to do if I had a actual stand. Well, I mean, I do, but you know, one that was more versatile. That's fine. Fine. Okay. So I'm just gonna type. And yes, that is how I type. I type fast, but I type with my middle fingers. I'm not flipping you guys off. I'm just saying that's how I type. So the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So I get about 60 words per minute doing that. I've taught myself over the years. Like I tried to do the home key thing that people do. I can't, but I can go really quick. All with both middle fingers. I've never seen anybody else type out like I do. In fact, one of my supervisors at work noticed how I typed one day, and he's like, "Dude, do you realize you're typing with your middle fingers?" I actually didn't until he mentioned that. So now I'm obviously aware of it. But yeah, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. There you go. Very easy. So there you go. Quick video on the Logipop keys. It's the yellow and black edition. Linked below if you do want to check one out for yourself. Shout out to everybody who's been on my eBay store. Shout out to somebody bought the MacBook 2015 MacBook Pro tonight, a few hours after I listed it. So shout out to you if you were a viewer and watch. I don't know who it wasn't anybody I recognized, but thank you so much for buying my MacBook. I still have 2 left, guys, as of this recording. So link is below for my eBay store. Link is below for the Logitech keyboard. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.